The Arctic feels empty at first, but the longer you stay, the more you notice. The reindeer, the history, the people who've always lived on the land. It's not loud, but it's there. The way the wind shapes the snow, the silence between the mountains. I followed the snow into the hills, past gears, past the tree line. The cold doesn't care who you are up here, but the land, if you pay attention, it starts to show you things. Then I went to the water. Fjords felt endless. Everything slowed down, heavy, but still moving. And me, I was just there with the camera, trying to take it all in before it disappeared again. You don't leave with answers, just a feeling that you've seen something, quietly slipping.